Hello, this is Chris from QuadShot Software with the next in a series of videos about OpenTickets Community Edition. In the last video I showed you how by using our optional extension GAMP for General Admission Multiple Pricing, you can set different ticket prices for the same event that you want to sell. One of the other things you can do with the GAMP plugin is to have different tickets for different dates for the same event area, something that you can't do in the base version. To demonstrate how this is used, let's first of all take a look at the tickets set up. If I click on Products, you can see two tickets I've already created, one at $25 and one at $35. Now, in order to configure the settings for these, I need to go into the venues. So clicking on the Venues tab, there is our venue. I click on it to edit it and scroll down to the event areas. Here is the event area for the ballroom, and I'm going to click on Edit for that particular area. So far we have no pricing structures set up. I'm going to add a couple. The first one I'm going to call 001, and the second one I'm going to call 002. Now, clicking on the edit icon next to the first structure 001, I'm going to assign the lower price $25 ticket. I'm going to click on Done Editing there, and then for 002 I'm going to assign the higher price $35 ticket. Click on Done Editing and click on Save. Having saved that, I now go to the top of the screen and I update the venue as a whole. Now let's go to our Events section. I'm going to add an event, and let's call the first one Concert 1. I need to assign that concert an event date. And I'm going to make that a Wednesday in the middle of the week. The time of the event is going to be 8 until 11 p.m. And I'm going to add that to my calendar. If I scroll down, there you can see the event, and if I click on it, I can set the various criteria for it. I'm going to want to make this published as soon as I save everything. The visibility is public. The publish date is going to be from today. The venue is going to be Buckingham Palace. The event area is going to be the ballroom. And the pricing structure I'm going to assign is going to be the first one we created, 001, with a lower price ticket, because I want to make lower price tickets available for sale in the middle of the week. Having done that, I set a featured image. And then scroll towards the top of the page and publish that event. I'm now going to create a second event. This is going to be called Concert 2. And again, I click on the button to create a new date for it. This time, the event is going to be on Saturday. And again, let's adjust the times of the event to be 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. and add it to our calendar. If I now go in and adjust the details of this event, again, the status is going to be published, the visibility public, the published date from today, the venue Buckingham Palace, the event area is going to be the ballroom, and this time the price structure is going to be the higher price ticket, which we set up as 002. I'm going to again set the featured image. And having done that, we'll publish that particular event. Now we need to go and make sure that those are set, that our event calendar is set on the menu. So let's go to the menu. Create a menu we will call main. And let's assign our event calendar and the My Account page to that menu. Let's make it the primary menu and let's save that. All right, let's have a look at the site in another window. You can see here in the left-hand column the link for event calendar, and there are my two events. If I click on Concert 1 and I scroll down, you can see that the ticket price is $25. If I click on Concert 2, which is the one that we set up at the weekend, and again I scroll down, you can see that the higher ticket price there is $35. So this is how you use the GAMP plugin to sell tickets for events on different days at the same area within your venue.